Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome, Gizmo. And today we're going south from here. My dad's gonna meet up some friends of his that lives in here in San Diego, or in the United States. And we're gonna eat lunch there. We haven't had breakfast yet. Did you have breakfast, Gizmo? So I'll meet you guys there.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, it's too shiny.
Come
It's too bright.
Come here. Look at this side.
You look like Chinese. We're gonna go to Tustin. It's 2 hours away from hometown. We're filling up the FJ Cruisers at the moment, and I'm gonna update you guys. And by the way, I saw this inside the convenience store. They have this king size Hershey's milk chocolate, which doesn't exist in the Philippines.
Really?
See how thick it is? It's king size.
Yung kaklase na bibigyaw.
So we're finally here in Tustin Plaza in Tustin, California. It's 2 hours away from San Diego, and we're gonna have our breakfast and lunch at the same time because we're already late actually for lunch. It's already 1 o'clock in here. So we're gonna look for a restaurant to eat because my dad and his friends are eating here in a Korean barbecue restaurant. And if you watched the vlog yesterday, we just had Korean yesterday night, so we're gonna look for other alternatives. Do it hard. Go. See, you need to guess how many balls are in there. What do you think? How many balls are in there to get a free pizza? So how many? What's your lucky number? I guess this is like because there are large balls in this. Yeah. They kept the large ones.
So do you think it's less than 100?
Yeah, I think it's less than 100. I'd go for 65. How about you? So we'll just decide in the middle, 70. Yeah.
I'm gonna go more.
Okay. I think it's 100 plus. Guys, look at this. So for all of you viewers who do not know, I could solve the Rubik's Cube in less than a minute. So we solved the Rubik's Cube. But unfortunately, we're gonna get the $10 off on the next order, so we need to go back.
So probably order.
You could
Like, if
order
you
one.
Something.
Yeah. And on the jar right there, we guessed 120, but it's not correct. What's the correct answer? She didn't say. So this is what I get for working on my Rubik's Cube skills for like 5 years since high school. I get $10 off. Buffalo wings and some bread.
Garlic.
And we have our last order. It's called the Maui Zawi Pizza. So this is probably Hawaiian, because I think Moana, if you watch Moana,
Yeah.
the demigod is named Maui, is it?
Yeah.
So now I know Maui is connected to Hawaii, and I didn't know that. So we're just walking around the streets in here while waiting for my dad. We're done eating. My dad isn't. I don't know why. Probably they're just talking around with his friends.
I love South Coast Plaza.
We're gonna go what? South
Coast Plaza.
So it's basically the largest indoor mall in
Yeah.
where?
Here in Southern California.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. I'm gonna be the one driving, so see you guys there. Say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Say hi. Yeah, we're in Starbucks right now, still waiting. What time is it? It's 4:30.
451.
4:51, and we're still 2 hours away from home. And I'm gonna be the one. I think I'm gonna be the one driving later, because my dad is the one who drove earlier. Yeah, we're just gonna eat in San Diego, and we're gonna drive now. 2 hours away. This is where we are for like 2 hours. Gonna see you guys. I'm gonna be the one driving. We're finally back in Chula Vista, San Diego after 2 hours of driving. It's already 7 o'clock in the evening right now. I'm gonna eat in In-N-Out. It's gonna be a fast food because tonight we need to go early in bed because we're going to LA tomorrow morning. Go straight to Universal Studios after that. I didn't know there's a lot of people here in In-N-Out. And it's 7 o'clock. I'm gonna eat first and head home after this. So again, it's been a long day, guys. Tomorrow is the big day. We're gonna go to Universal Studios. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog today. Thank you for sticking with me throughout this whole San Diego trip. And it's only 3 days from now, and we're gonna go home again to the Philippines. Can't wait to see you guys again and do more car reviews in the Philippines. And for the Toyota Avalon, it will come, guys. Don't worry. I had it planned already. I'll do it in Tuesday evening. It will be uploaded in the time of San Diego. You can hear from far away that the MIATA has an exhaust built into it. I don't know if you can hear it though. There. Has a nice exhaust right over there. Gizmo is so excited. Gizmo, Gizmo!
Look at his energy now. Compared when we're about to...
I know.
Okay, Gizmo, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So yeah, we're back again home here in Chula Vista. It's gonna be a big night tomorrow. Hope you guys stick around. Watch my vlog for the next 3 days. It is my last 3 days here in San Diego. And tomorrow we're gonna go to LA and Universal Studios in Hollywood. Whew. Let's go. You wanna come? Go to LA tonight. Now we're going back. We're gonna run to where are we going? We're going to Walmart because there's no tide for our clothes, and I've run out of clothes. And for the first time, we're gonna ride the Toyota Avalon. This is what you guys wanted. I promise you, I'll give you a review of this in Tuesday night. Look at that interior. And it smells new.
I
think I'm getting his shoes.
Oh.
So it's push start, automatic seats. So we ran to Walmart just to buy some things for tomorrow and for my laundry later because I ran out of clothes. I'm gonna give you a preview of the Avalon's interior. Look at that interior. Got wood paneling in here. You turn on my LED light. There we go. Wood paneling, soft leather materials, black stitching, and then aluminum finish in here. See? So just wait guys, it's 3 more days and I'm gonna show you a full review of this one guys. Yeah, so we are on our way home. We got the items that we needed and we're ready to go to LA tomorrow morning. Again, morning. I hope we could wake up that early because I think we need to leave what time? 8:30 in the morning. That's gonna be hard because like for the past 5 days we've been waking up, the earliest was 10 or 9 o'clock was the earliest. So better luck, good luck for us tomorrow. So we just got home. We ate In-N-Out an hour ago and we go back here looking at this cooked by my dad. Let's take a bite. Hello, Gout.
Yeah, these are camaron. Taste them.
Mini, medium, large, oversized. Water temperature. We usually put it cold. And then regular or delicate, but you're probably regular, so you're gonna put it there.
This is the first time I'm doing this, so
Okay. You're gonna put
I need some lessons.
one pod. Which one's the new one? This one?
This one. So we're going to
Open.
So look what's inside. These are called pods in
They
here.
look like candy.
Yeah.
So for like a small load like this, you only need one.
So
Just put it in there
really?
at the bottom. Yeah.
Okay.
Drop it.
And
And
then?
you push it down. You push it down. Usually it's already like pulled up, so
Yeah.
you want to push it down so that you can rotate the dial.
Mhm.
And then once it's at the setting that you want, so for regular fabrics, you pull the water.
Oh,
And
okay.
then you put in your
Just put it in there?
Just like kind of spread them out.
Okay. This is enjoyable.
It's not that hard, honestly.
This is me. First time doing this. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching the vlog. Tomorrow's another day. Patrick Reyes TV signing out.